Hi guys, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I'm in the backyard today because I wanted to try out Martha Stewart's metallic spray paint. So I tried her white paint, her regular paint, and now it's time to try the metallics because it's Christmas and I want to make these pine cones silver. So what I've done is I've hung them on this hanger at different heights, and I am going to spray them this way and then hang them to dry. But it's the only way I could think of to get all the sides of it and not have it stuck down to whatever I was painting it on. So just bear with me. I mean, I know it's not there's probably like 6 or 7 better ways to do this, but this is what I chose. So I'm actually gonna hold it and spray, but I gotta figure out which way the wind's coming from. It's coming from that way. So I'm gonna spray it that way. And I'm gonna get you guys turned around, put you on time lapse, and let's do this. Do you see the wind change direction on me? I gotta get another coat on there, but it's covering so nice, you guys. I mean, it's very light mist, which I loved about the white paint as well. I'm just really surprised at how well this is coating. I can't wait to show you guys this like really, really close. Okay, I am gonna hang this to dry, but they are so cute. Love this stuff. Okay, everyone, we are more than several days later. I've moved on to other craft projects, but I wanted to wrap this up and show you guys the results. Here's one of them. I have to say, it is so shiny. Like, it is silver metallic. This is a fantastic silver. So I have an issue with different metallics because sometimes you'll get them and you're like, yay, I'm gonna have a metallic, and it's not metallic. And my solution had been for silver to go with chrome. And chrome is silver, but not fun to work with. The chrome paints are noxious and gross and such a pain in the butt to work with a chrome spray paint. But this Martha Stewart silver, you can see it shine, has a gorgeous shine to it. Let me pop up a picture of how all of them turned out. So as you can see, I mean, they're fantastic. The coverage was outstanding. I did that one coat that you guys saw me do, and this is it. I have not done any more. It is beautiful. And it doesn't smell like spray paint. That's the other thing that I said in the one where I tested out just her plain spray paint, so it wasn't the metallics. And I thought for sure the metallic would have a different odor because it's metallic, right? Oh no, well, still not as strong as regular spray paint. And you still get this gorgeous silver coverage. I now want to get her gold if she's got it. I am going to go look for the different colors available in the Martha Stewart spray paint line, because if she has gold or rose gold or something like that, I will be investing, because for smaller projects, the smaller can doesn't bother me. It covers so well. Okay, so the reason why you need a lot of the other spray paint is because it doesn't cover as well. Even with the, I didn't want to say it because I love 2X. 2X is my favorite spray paint, but still, there are going to be times when you need that second coat. It doesn't hit it all on the first one. This is one coat. One. It's a gorgeous, even coverage in one coat. The white did the same thing. And I'm like, one coat. High pigment in this stuff. So I am really impressed. But I think the reason you're not going to go through these cans that fast is because of the one coat coverage. It's extremely even. And these are now really smooth and glossy. Impressive. Not to be weird, but I'm really happy and impressed with the coverage on it. I actually just did a blue spray paint that is a traditional spray paint that has a metallic to it, and it stinks so bad it got me thinking about the odor of this does not smell like that one. Like the odor of that one is very strong. It's actually giving me a headache. I'm gonna have to leave this room in a minute, but this didn't off gas. These are gorgeous. I'm gonna do a vignette in my booth with the silver pine cones, and they're super pretty, guys. They're really, really pretty. So yeah, definitely invest in some of that if you want a nice metallic. I gotta try the gold now. I want to find the gold. I want to get a couple other colors because it's good. Very nice, Martha. Well played, Martha. Thanks for always giving us really good quality craft supplies. That's the one thing. And I don't know, I mean, I would assume it's her company. It's got her name on it and her brand, that she has something to do with it. Like she has a say in what the final end product looks like. Definitely quality products. So far, I know they're expensive, but I have not found one Martha Stewart brand spray paint, but craft supplies that I've gone, this is just garbage. Hasn't happened yet. So if you guys are like, oh, well, you should try this one because I didn't like it, tell me. I'll try it. Want to see. It's really hard for me to believe that she can knock every single thing out of the park, because I'm like, this is her glitter. This is Martha's glitter. This stuff is amazing. The coverage, even with this glitter, is microfine. It's the shiniest glitter. This is her Mod Podge. It works. It's amazing. I like Mod Podge the tree skirt together with it. It was fabric to fabric. Mod Podge works great. Perfect. Stuff's not going anywhere. Really impressive. And if there's like one of her product lines that you guys think was garbage, I'd love to know about it, because it's hard to believe that she could hit every single product out of the park. But I think, like, if you invest in her product, you know you're going to get quality, and for sure the spray paint is definitely quality. So, all right. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junket shirts, don't forget to click the links below. It helps me, it supports me, it supports the channel, and I really appreciate it. If you want to send me a thrift flip challenge, which we may or may not use a Martha Stewart product on, you never know, you can send it to the P.O. box. The information will also be in the description below. And if you would like to buy me a coffee, because I'm always on about half tank, the money from that, it's like Patreon, except without the monthly commitment, goes directly back into producing content for you guys, goes back into buying the supplies and everything that you see me working on. So I appreciate everyone who has donated to that. I'm so grateful, you guys, for everyone who's gotten a shirt, made a donation, everyone who's asked if they could buy through if buying through my links helps me. You guys, yes, buying through my links helps me. It doesn't cost you any extra, and it gives me a little pennies, but every penny counts, and I appreciate it. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week, DIY tutorials, and of course, more junkin' videos.